Sure. So I do investment research. So in other words, market research, financial analysis, due diligence. So due diligence, analyze if someone should invest or not invest in a company.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
And financial management is very important because the financial projections, this is why I think that they are very interconnected, because I have seen some financial projections that they say, okay, fine, we're going to invest in pay-per-click, let's say social media advertising, pay-per-click in general, let's say $250,000. But this is something when it comes to the finance management. If you get, it doesn't work like, okay, you got $250,000. Okay, I'm gonna get 20,000 for TikTok. I'm gonna get 20,000 for YouTube. I'm gonna get 20,000 for Meta. I'm gonna get 20,000 for Instagram. It doesn't really work like this. You have to test small, and if YouTube is working better, you have to stop the funding that's supposed to be for Meta or whatever, and continue doing the ads in YouTube or in whatever platform it works better. And sometimes because of lack of knowledge in financial management, we can be the position in the startup, like say, okay, the financial projection says a $250,000 for social media. So what I interpret from this is I will divide exactly this amount of cash in the 7 social media, 8 social media. We're gonna market the product, and that's it. We're gonna roll over at the same time, and this is how this is what it says in the financial projection. And after people running like that, and they run out of money, and they don't understand why you run out of money. Why you run out of money? Because out of these same amounts, only, I don't know, YouTube or Facebook work or Meta works, and the other one it didn't work because your potential client is not hanging out in these platforms. Same with software development or operations. Um, you have to manage that capital, because when it's gone, it's gone.
Yeah.
When it's gone, it's gone. And also focus what is important, because I think that in the startup phase, especially at the very beginning, in my opinion, 50 or 80% of that capital should be allocated marketing and sales, should be allocated how to sell that product. Because if the product is not selling, it's difficult. Even if you waste your money, but you sell it and you make some profit, you will be able to raise again. But if you don't sell it, that's it. You finish. Because it's tough to raise out there when you have no sales or very, very little sales. So finally, Daniel, where can you tell us a little bit more what you specialize, and the people that are in love with this conversation, how can they find you, how this process works?
Sure. So I do investment research. So in other words, market research, financial analysis, due diligence. So due diligence, analyze if someone should invest or not invest in a company. And I've been doing this on the global markets, from looking at companies from North America, South America, all the way to the Middle East. And the best way to find me is on my website at www.danielnikic.com, or you can also check me out on my LinkedIn, and I'm quite responsive. So if I see there's synergy and stuff, I'll definitely get back to you.
Thank you so much, Daniel. And without note, see you guys in our next episode of Unstoppable, how break entrepreneur like Daniel break that wall and achieve the first million. Bye for now.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs, that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.